I'm getting ready to weld the stuff together today. I don't know how to attach this to this grate though. Don't mind me, just gonna get a little water. Putting this down right here. What I mean by that is I need to temporarily attach this to this without welding them together. So I can weld this beam to that tube so that the tube sticks up like that. I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm grinding it here because it needs to be grounded. And I'm gonna grind it here because I need to actually attach a bar to it, and I can't do that if there's a layer of this black stuff on it. Don't take that out of context. And back in the puddle. The iron filings add some flavor to it. Nice and refreshing. Just using the Malevolent Creek cape I made as a towel really quick. So my plan is I'm gonna hit this side and this side with the welder while it's in this vise, so that it's together enough to where I can spin it around and weld these corners with this part in the vise. Man, why am I so thirsty? Anyways, we're gonna get my welding equipment. I mean, it looks okay. I mean, it's really ugly, but it looks like it'll hold. And then dip it in the puddle to cool it off. I'm gonna let it sit in here to dry. I mean, it's really dangerous to weld things with water on them because then the water heats up and explodes everywhere. But yeah, I made sure the welder was unplugged so nothing happened. Like, comment, and subscribe or I'll make more slop content. It's a good sign that the weld didn't break apart instantly. I'm still gonna strength test it. That weld was bad. Oh, and this one was too. It wasn't for lack of trying. The weld bead just didn't connect the two pieces. Or rather, it looks like there was something in between them. I wonder if I could just polish them up a bit and try to weld it again. I'm absolutely parched, bro. But yeah, I think maybe I'm gonna have to try to mount the base in a different way than using this metal that I can't even weld for whatever reason. Maybe like use a piece of wood to attach a piece of metal to like the base plate. This part is what's gonna go on the ground. And I basically need it to look like this so I can mount one of these motors to it. I wonder if the creek tastes any better. I guess there's only one way to find out. And if this had just welded to this properly, that wouldn't have been a problem because I could just drill a hole here and here and then screw that onto that. There one is. That was tasty. Ooh, what's this? So this is how the motor is supposed to go on it, basically. These came with mounts. And I'm just gonna mount them out to